If your YouTube app is glitching, freezing, or not loading properly, here's a quick step-by-step fix you can try. First, start simple. Close the YouTube app completely from your recent app screen, then reopen it. Minor app crashes often fix themselves with a quick restart. If that doesn't work, refresh the app through your phone's storage settings. On iPhone, go to Settings, then General, then iPhone Storage, then YouTube, then tap Offload App. Confirm, wait a few seconds, and then tap Reinstall App. This removes temporary app data but keeps your account and documents intact. On Android, go to Settings, then Apps, then YouTube, then Storage, then tap Clear Cache. If the issue continues, you can also tap Clear Data. You may need to log back in afterward. After reinstalling or clearing cache, open YouTube again and check if the freezing is gone. In many cases, this also updates the app to the latest version, which fixes performance bugs. If it's still acting up, restart your phone completely to clear system memory and background glitches.